Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America lives one of nature's most colorful characters, the toucan. With its giant rainbow-colored beak and playful personality, it's one of the most recognizable birds in the world. But there's so much more to toucans than their looks. These birds have fascinating habits, clever survival tricks, and an important role in keeping the rainforest healthy. Let's take a closer look at the secret life of toucans and discover what makes them so unique. The iconic beak. That huge colorful beak is the toucan's most famous feature, and it's not just for looks. Despite its size, it's surprisingly lightweight, made mostly of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. Scientists believe the beak has several jobs. It helps toucans regulate body temperature, communicate with each other, and even scare off rivals when defending their territory. And of course, it's one of the rainforest's most eye-catching fashion statements. Diet and feeding habits. When it comes to food, toucans are true fruit lovers. Their diet is mostly made up of berries and tropical fruits. And here's where that giant beak really comes in handy. It lets them reach fruit on branches too thin to support their weight. Once they've got it, they have a fun little trick. Instead of nibbling, they toss the fruit and swallow it whole. It's like watching a rainforest juggling act. But toucans aren't picky. They'll also snack on insects, small reptiles, and even the occasional bird egg. And while that might sound surprising, it actually makes them really important to the rainforest. Life in the canopy. Toucans are true masters of the treetops. They spend almost their entire lives high in the rainforest, rarely touching the ground. Up here, they have everything they need: food, shelter, and safety from many predators. When it comes to nesting, toucans prefer tree cavities, small hollows where they can safely lay their eggs. What's amazing is how they make it work despite their oversized beaks. They curl up tightly, tucking their long bills under their bodies like a feathery puzzle. Toucans are also social birds. You'll often find them traveling in small groups, hopping from tree to tree, chatting in their own unique way as they search for food. These mini flocks stick together. After all, in a rainforest full of predators, there's safety in numbers. Calls and communication. You might expect a bird this colorful to have a beautiful song, but toucans? Not so much. Instead, they make loud croaks, rattles, and frog-like sounds that can carry through the rainforest. These calls aren't just noise, they're a way to keep in touch with the flock, warn others of danger, and even defend their territory. Some species also click their beaks together to communicate, almost like knocking on wood. In the dense rainforest, where thick leaves block visibility, sound is everything. A toucan's voice might not be pretty, but it's surprisingly effective. Role in the rainforest ecosystem. Toucans aren't just rainforest celebrities, they're also vital to the survival of the forest itself. By eating fruit and spreading seeds far and wide, they act like little gardeners of the jungle. As these seeds take root and grow, they help new trees sprout and restore damaged areas of the forest. Without toucans and other fruit eaters, many rainforest plants would struggle to survive. In a way, the toucan helps hold the entire ecosystem together, proof that even the smallest actions in nature can have a big impact. Threats and conservation. Life in the rainforest isn't as carefree as it looks. Toucans face serious challenges, from deforestation that destroys their homes, to the illegal pet trade that captures them from the wild. As the rainforest shrinks, toucans lose nesting sites, food sources, and safe places to live. And while some species are still common, others are already becoming harder to find. The good news? Conservation groups are working to protect their habitats and fight against wildlife trafficking. And by supporting efforts to save the rainforest, we're also protecting the incredible creatures that call it home, including the toucan. With their bright colors, oversized beaks, and playful personalities, toucans are more than just icons of the rainforest, they're essential to its survival. These incredible birds help keep the forest alive, one seed at a time. If you enjoyed exploring the amazing world of toucans, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wildlife wonders, and join us next time as we uncover even more secrets around the world.